Just going to do a quick little install review video with these. I won't go into too much depth of installing them, but just give you a quick show. Come with the gloves, and there's the bulbs and all the connectors. And then we got the other one. These are for the normal dip beam and the high beam. So they're the high beam and they're the H1 dip beam. I'm driving around for a few days with the bulbs in, and I must say they're really good compared to the old halogen. I even tried, I think it was Awesome, the 80-watt bulbs with where they come out clear, and they just kept popping. Subarus don't seem to like them. I've used them in previous cars and they're fine, but they just don't seem to like them, so I'll give these a go. I've dipped them down as low as it'll dip. I don't think it'll even focus, but that is a number 3 supposedly, and even with all this bad weather they're fine. I'm on a slight of a hill, as you can see, but they're not crazy high, and the high beam they're super bright, as you can see there. I'll let it just go dark for a sec. That's how it is. You can see. Put them on. Just go and show you outside. As you can see, we're outside. You won't see much, as you always get dazzled on cameras, especially with LED bulbs, but I have adjusted them. You can see how foggy it is. Like, camera will never pick it up clearly, but they seem to break through the fog very well without the fog lights, and I do have LEDs in my fog lights. I'll let it focus. You can actually see the beam pattern itself breaking through the fog. You see it's clear. I am on a slight slant, as I mentioned, and they're not crazy high, so they're not dazzling anyone. So yeah, again, you can see it breaking through, and how clear the actual ground is and where you're driving. So a must buy if you're looking for some bulbs, especially in an older car like this. I'd definitely get hold of some. They're not hard to fit at all, so just a little review of them. I'll definitely buy another pair, especially for this, but hopefully it'll help anyone.